Are you stuck on a coding challenge? Don't worry, we've got your back. Let's dive in and solve the kth smallest in lexicographical order problem together. The problem is to find the kth smallest number in the lexicographic order of 1 to n. This code is using a binary search approach to find the kth smallest number in lexicographic order. It starts by initializing a variable current number to 1, and decrementing the value of k by 1. Then it uses a while loop to iterate through the numbers, and at each iteration, it calls the countSteps method to count the number of steps between the current number and the next number in lexicographic order. The countSteps method uses a while loop to iterate through the numbers, and variables current number and next number to keep track of the current number and the next number in lexicographic order. If the number of steps is less than or equal to k, the current number is increment and k is decremented by the number of steps. If the number of steps is greater than k, the current number is multiplied by 10 and k is decremented by 1. Let's consider an example where n is 100 and k is 90. In the first iteration of the while loop, the current number is 1 and the number of steps between 1 and 2 is 9. Since 9 less than 90, we increment current number by 1 and decrement k by 9. The new values of current number and k are 2 and 81 respectively. In the second iteration of the while loop, the current number is 2 and the number of steps between 2 and 20 is 18. Since 18 less than 81, we increment current number by 1 and decrement k by 18. The new values of current number and k are 3 and 63 respectively. In the third iteration of the while loop, the current number is 3 and the number of steps between 3 and 30 is 27. Since 27 less than 63, we increment current number by 1 and decrement k by 27. The new values of current number and k are 4 and 36 respectively. In the fourth iteration of the while loop, the current number is 4 and the number of steps between 4 and 40 is 36. Since 36 equals 36, we return 4 as the kth smallest number in lexicographic order. The while loop runs log n times, and at each iteration, it calls the countSteps method which takes log n time to count the number of steps between two numbers. Therefore, the overall time complexity of the solution is O log n into log n. The space complexity of the solution is O(1), because we are only using a few variables and not allocating any additional memory. Thanks for following along. I appreciate your attention, and I hope you found this explanation helpful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more content like this.